The WMTS simulator, Wildfire Management Training System, thanks to a powerful three-dimensional customizable simulation environment, represents one of the most advanced teaching aids where future directors of firefighting operations can be trained in a virtual environment. The simulator is able to accurately represent all the main dynamics of firefighting in a safe manner. The simulation system was developed with the help of highly qualified forest firefighting training staff, following the directives and recommendations of the Civil Protection Department, the National Fire Brigade and the Air Force. The instructor, through his or her workstation, is able to manage the simulation through the choice of operational scenarios, imaginary for teaching purposes or based on real locations at the customer's request. In addition, they can manage the various vehicles, airborne and ground, involved in the activity. While using WMTS, the teacher is aided by an easy-to-use graphical interface with various functions available, filled with recognizable icons and intuitive descriptions. The tools range from the possibility of controlling the fire and its evolution to the positioning of ground vehicles and aircrafts. The software database, expandable at the customer's request at the time of purchase, is composed of a plentiful range of vehicles to be used in the simulation. Weather conditions can also be controlled by the teacher, therefore influencing the spread of the fire as well as the speed of the time passing, which can always be recorded and rewound for teaching purposes. In addition, there are advanced features that allow parameters on autonomous fire and vehicle behavior to be modified. The aircrafts generated onto the map can be controlled directly via joysticks or via predetermined paths that can be followed automatically by the vehicles, hence making the communication between the officers the focal point rather than the simulation itself. All exercises can also be saved and reloaded, speeding up the simulation process. The students enjoy a panoramic view via monitors, TVs, usually 3 screens 50 inches or larger, which allows them to have as complete and realistic of a view as possible. A virtual reality VR visor is also available for the students to have an even greater immersion. Being able to move around in the simulated environment, the students have the possibility to use the virtual instruments such as TBT or ground radio, a compass, binoculars, all of which are customizable by the customer. The WMTS simulation system is constantly evolving thanks to our qualified partnerships and up-to-date studies in the field, improving with each version and expanding its functionality, while remaining simple in use and flexible to any customer request.